Let me tell you everything you need to know about this camera security system by Autel. If you're not familiar with the brand Autel, they make incredible devices, really, really smart devices, and little computer systems that will diagnose car, do like full-on diagnostics on vehicles. Now, that's their first forte, but now they're going and using this technology for a bunch of different things. And one of them will be a security system like this one. Now, I've got the cameras here and we'll get to those in just a second, but I want to talk to you about the brains of the operation, which is this thing right here. This is kind of the home base central station. Now, how this works is pretty cool because you will connect your Ethernet cable. So right there, Ethernet cable, your internet's going to come into this, this thing right here. It does come, of course, with the pluggable, so you've got your outlet right here. And then you can see you've got HDMI and two USB-As, and right there, a micro SD slot. Now, why would you need an HDMI? Well, the HDMI, you're gonna connect this to a screen because it also, this whole system also comes with a mouse that you connect to the USB-A onto the system, because there, you kind of have a computer operating system on here that will let you name, tag, whatever the cameras are seeing. You'll be able to completely configure the whole system within this home base here, which is really nice. Now, how do you get all of this information, all the data that these cameras are gonna take and bring it into here? Well, it's really, really simple. Check this out. You just pop this up, and right here this is literally just nothing. You can throw this out once you're done because right here is the slot where your hard drive is going to live. Now, they don't include a hard drive because you can put hard drives or you can insert and install hard drives of a bunch of different configurations, whether it's a 1 terabyte all the way to 16 terabytes. If you wanted to, boom, put that in there. The more terabytes, the more space, the longer period of recording you can do, which is fantastic. So they give you that access right there. And this is what I'm talking about, is that you will be able to access all of those files with the HDMI being able to see it on a big screen if you want. That's a great thing. Now, if you don't want to do that, they also have an app that will connect to your phone, and the app will connect wirelessly to this home base and wirelessly to these cameras, because yes, these cameras, so this is a 2-pack, they do have a 4-pack as well. This 2-pack does not need any wires between this camera and this home base. Not only no wires to communicate, but also no wires to charge because the solar panel is right there. Look at that huge solar panel in here that lets you basically gather all that sun energy, charge that battery, and you are good to go 24/7, which is fantastic. This is a 2K camera, full color, full night vision, object detection, all the good stuff that you'd expect from good cameras, of course. It does come with a really nice bracket, very solid bracket, by the way. Look at that. You've got some steel in here. That is new. I usually only see plastic. Now you got some steel. I like that. You literally connect it just like that. Make sure that you put it in a position where obviously it's a good position for you to shoot or get the footage that you want, but also get the sunlight that you need as well. And then yeah, they do include some USB to USB-C cables. Why is that? Well, if you are looking to set up and you don't want to start charging it with the solar panel, just go underneath right here. I'm going to open it up. You've got USB-C and even an SD card, because yes, you can get, and people are going to say, oh, well, I don't have a hard drive in here. Well, if you don't have a hard drive yet and you just want to test it out, you can simply use micro SD cards on here to collect the data, or also micro SD cards right here to collect that footage and be able to review it on your phone as well through the app. I think this thing is full-fledged, a complete system. I love the fact, and I think this is where it shines the most, I love the fact that if you take away all of that power system, it is truly a wireless system, and it's a beautiful one at that. I'm very impressed.